Hello there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for Orangeade, i.e. orange lemonade, because I thought that this would be a really nice addition to the Easter table that I will be showing you in tomorrow's video. This recipe makes around 800 millilitres of this Orangeade. You will be needing the following equipment: some measuring spoons, a chopping board, a small knife or a kitchen knife, a lemon squeezer, although this is completely optional as I have used my hands in the past and that's worked just fine, a spoon or a spatula, and a sieve, and again this is completely optional as well. You will also be needing the following ingredients: some water, the juice of 2 lemons, the juice of 4 oranges, and some golden syrup. I have 2 tablespoons worth. So let's go! First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use. Now measure up whatever you're serving your Orangeade in with water, and then empty that into your measuring jug so you know how much you're going to be making. I know that for my recipe I'm going to need 800 millilitres. Now, using your chopping board and your knife, cut in half your lemons and your oranges, and then tip the juices or squeeze the juices into your measuring jug. Okay. Now, if you have any seeds, just take them out and place them into your bowls, or just place them off to the side as you won't be needing them. You can do this into a bowl and then into the measuring jug, but I actually found squeezing it with my hands in the measuring jug made life easier, as it stopped the juice going everywhere because I did it right in there. So it's whatever's easier for you. So now that your juices are in there, we are going to look and see how full your measuring jug is. Mine is around 425 millilitres. So then subtract that from the amount you took at the beginning to know how much water you need to fill in. Then grab some water. So now I've got my water, I'm going to fill this up until it equals 800 millilitres, or for you until it fills up wherever you need it to measure to. Okay, so. Oh, I'm making a mess. There we go. There we go, 800 millilitres. So now, using my spatula, I'm just going to give this a quick mix together. You can use a tablespoon or a spoon, it's just I like using my spatula for a lot of things. Now grab your golden syrup. Now, the amount of golden syrup you add to this is completely up to you, but I have quite a sweet tooth. I wanted it to be able to taste of orange but still have the sweetness, because to me with the lemon it's still a bit bitter. But I needed the 2 tablespoons, so if it's easier for you, just add a teaspoon at a time until it's at your desired liking. It's completely up to you. So now I'm just going to add this in. And now I'm going to mix this together until it is well combined. You may be whisking or mixing for a little while because the golden syrup does just sink to the bottom, so just take your time with it, there's no hurry. There we go, all mixed in. So now grab your original glass or jug that you're serving this into. So now pour this back into whatever you're serving this in, either a glass or a jug in my case. Now is when you would use the sieve, but I'm not going to because I actually don't mind the bits. It's if you don't like bits, just pour it through the sieve and that gets rid of them completely. There we go, I like it, I like it. You can also, before you do that, add some orange food colouring to it if you want to give it a bit more orangey colour, but I personally like the way it looks. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for this lovely Orangeade, where you will be able to buy all of the equipment you will need for this recipe. If you do make these at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag bakingwithvickiie so that I can see all your lovely creations. Let me know of anything else you'd like to see me do on this channel, and anything else you'd like to see me make gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!